We begin with breaking news. A bond hearing is underway right now in Brunswick, Georgia, where Greg and Travis McMichael are asking to be released from jail. Now, you may remember these are the two men accused of chasing and killing Ahmaud Arbery as he walked through a Brunswick neighborhood earlier this year. CBS 46's Haley Mason is live in Glenn County for us at the courthouse there with the latest on this hearing. Haley?
Tracy, good afternoon. The judge has spent the morning taking up a number of issues and is just now getting into the meat of this bond hearing. One thing he expressed is concern about just how much information has been coming out in the preliminary hearings here, and he didn't want this entire case to be tried before the actual trial, which could impact a jury. Nonetheless, they're finally getting into the meat of this bond hearing, where Gregory McMichael and his son Travis are now appearing in court through a video from jail. The third defendant, William Roddy Bryan, is not participating, but he's listening in. Meanwhile, defense attorneys, they spent the morning trying to get the judge to exclude certain evidence, like the bombshell preliminary hearing info, where we learned of Ahmaud Arbery's final moments when he was chased and shot down by the McMichaels. Also, they want to keep out the possible evidence of racist remarks from Travis McMichael's social media pages. Also, a Department of Justice hate crimes report. The judge ultimately said he will allow these points to be brought up to determine if the two men are eligible for release and if they're flight risks or threats to the community or not. The defense attorneys, though, argued they don't believe that the DOJ's hate crimes investigation is relevant to this matter. They say they can prove that this case is not about a hate crime.
To address the court's concern that we might pose a significant risk of flight if released on bond in this murder case, because we have some fear that the feds are going to come arrest us and charge us in federal court with a federal hate crime, where I am even more confident that that case could be beat.
And that was the defense attorney again saying he thinks they could beat any type of potential hate crime evidence here. Meanwhile, Travis McMichael's mother is on the stand right now, speaking almost as a character witness about how her son rescued a child and an elderly couple before. They're trying to prove that these people can come home and be safe in the community. A jam-packed day ahead, and we'll be bringing you the latest live. Reporting live in Brunswick, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.